Video. Today we are going to learn how to delete and insert rows and columns in Excel spreadsheet. Now let's start with the rows. Let's say I want to delete row 5 and 6. For me to delete row 5 and 6, I have to select them first. Let me select 5. To select 5, you just have to click on the row 5, and to select 6, you click on the row 6. Okay, let me just start with 1 first. Let me click on the row 5. I want to delete row 5. Once I click on it, I know the usual way you might think it is done is just to click on your delete button in your keyboard. Okay, let's do that. If I click on the delete button in my keyboard, you've noticed that it just deleted the content of this cell, but the content of this row, but the row 5 is still there. So to actually delete row 5 entirely, such that there is no space between the two items that you deleted, that means this Heman row have to go up so that there won't be any notice that, oh, I deleted something here. What you have to do is, let me undo it. What you have to do is you select on row 5. Once select on row 5, you right click, you see the option of delete. So once I delete it, have you seen Douglas row have been removed and Hemam row have moved up by 1? Okay, so whenever you delete a row, other row adjust by moving up one, like one step up. Let's do the same thing with column. Let's say I want to delete, okay, let me say I want to delete 2 rows now. Sorry, if I click on 5, I'll click on my shift button and click on 6 to select the 2 at once. So if I click on first row, shift second row, that means I have 2 rows selected. If I want to delete it, I'll click on delete, and 2 of them have gone. So you know we have 2 rows short in this spreadsheet. Undo. So the same thing applies to the column. Let's say I want to delete column B, which is Q1 sales. I'll click on B, then right click, then delete. Have you seen it? So whenever you delete column, the rest of the column that are in the right will move to the left by 1 step. Whenever you delete a row, the bottom rows move up by 1 step. Okay, so that will be all for deleting. So just remember, you don't have to press the keyboard, you have to just right click and choose delete option. Okay, now let's say I want to insert. Now I forgot an item, maybe order number here, and I want to put another column before Q1, that is order number. So what I have to do is I will select on this, right click, put insert. Have you seen it? So whenever you select on a column and press insert, insert puts that column before the one you selected. So you have to be very careful where you press your which column you select. Okay, if you want to put a column by in front of D, I have to press D. If you want to put a column in front of C, I have to press C. So insert always put a column in front of the column you selected or by the left of the column you selected. I don't know if you understand. Okay, so if I want to put a column in front of D or by the left of D, I don't have to press C because C will give me a column in front of C. So if I want to do that for D, I have to just come here, press insert, or I match the cell here, so it might not really be feasible. Let me come here. The topic was meshed, so let me use this insert. Okay, this has given me a column in front of H, and the original column by H have been moved to the back. Okay, so this is the format. Let's say I want to insert 2 columns. What you need to do is you press the shift button, select H, and press down shift and select I. So if I want to insert 2 columns, you select 2 columns, then right click and click insert. Have you seen it? 2 columns has been inserted. If I want to select 3 columns, I will highlight 3 columns and click insert. If you want to select 4 columns, you highlight 4 columns and click insert. That is how it goes. Okay, that is how it goes. If you want to select one, if you want to insert 1 column, you click 1 column. Okay, let's try for 3 so you understand what I'm saying. Let's say I want to select 3 columns. I'll click on G, press on the shift key, click on H, click on I. Sorry, I made a mistake. Click on G, press on the shift button, click on H, and click on I. Then I'll right click and put insert. As you can see, 3 extra columns has been inserted. So the number of columns you select is the number of columns that will be inserted when you do your right click and press insert. The same thing goes for row. Let's say I want to insert a row between 7 and 8. I have to click on 7. Okay, wait. I want to insert a column between 7 and 8. I have to click on 8 because, okay, let me tell you why. Whenever you click insert here, it puts a column on top of 8. Have you seen it? It puts a column on top of 8. So why column, sorry, it puts a row on top of 8. So why column, when you press insert on column, why it puts a column in the left or in front of it? This one puts a column in front of the selected one or on top. Okay, I don't even understand. Let me do it again. Okay, we have Nora here at row 8 and I want a column between 7 and 8. I have to press 8 because if I press 8, the new row will form in front of Nora, on top of Nora, sorry, on top of Nora and between Timothy and Nora. So I have to click on this. So anyone you select depends on where your column or row will form. So don't make that mistake at all, okay? Then there are other methods to insert. You can actually go to your home tab. Once you select the column you want to insert, go to your home tab, go to the far right of your home tab, you see insert. If you click on the drop down button, you see insert sheet column. You can click on it, insert sheet column. Okay, have you seen it as an inserted sheet column? The same thing with delete. These functions are here. You can delete column. If you delete it, it's back. Okay, so you can actually use this delete and insert key here on the home key tab, or you can right click. So there are 2 ways to go around this. That'll be all for now. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.